Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our series, Building a Website with Wix Studio. In this series, we are covering step by step exactly how to create a website using the new Wix Studio Editor. In the previous video, we talked about how to add a blog and the importance of having one. And in today's video, we will talk a little bit more about making your website responsive and using the Wix Studio AI Responsive Tool. So if you haven't watched the previous videos yet, be sure to watch those first and come back to this one. We have basically talked about step by step how to add different parts of our website using the new Wix AI Editor and the new Wix Studio Editor. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our web development tips and tutorials or updates in this playlist. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So why is it important to make your website responsive? Making your website responsive is really important nowadays because it ensures that your website looks good and functions well on all devices, including desktop, computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. More and more people are using their website devices to access the internet, so it's essential to make sure that your website is mobile friendly. Some benefits of having a responsive website includes a better user experience for all visitors regardless of the device that they're using. Visitors will be able to easily read your content, navigate your website, and complete tasks on any device. A responsive website is more likely to be found by search engines, which can lead to increased traffic onto your website. A responsive website can improve your SEO, and a responsive website is less likely to have a high bounce rate, which is the percentage of visitors who leave your website after only viewing one page. A responsive website can also lead to increased sales, especially if you sell products or services online. If you're not sure whether or not your website is responsive, you can use a free tool like Google's Mobile Friendly Test Check. And if your website is not mobile friendly, you need to consider making it mobile friendly as soon as possible. What's really good is that the Wix Studio AI Responsive Tool is a tool that helps you make your website responsive using AI. So it cuts down on the time as well as making sure that it looks good as well. So let's get started with the Wix AI Responsive Tool. So what's really good about the way the AI responsive tools work is that it can automatically identify groups of related elements in your website layout and apply the best layout for each group. This can save you a lot of time and effort when making your website responsive. So to use the Wix Studio AI responsive tool, you need to first go into the Wix Studio site editor, select the section of the website that you want to make responsive. So essentially you want to select the section and not like the cell or like the actual feature. So for example, this section here. You're looking for this little button here. Use the AI responsive button in the toolbar. You want to click on the AI responsive button in the toolbar and you want to click on Generate Now. And the way this works is that it will show you different layouts for different responsive types, and you just want to review the changes that the AI has made to your website layout, and then you want to click Apply to apply those changes. So right now they are making a layout for our mobile, and it's just optimizing the stack on mobile as well. So once the designs have been created, it'll look something like this, and you basically, all you need to do is use the handles, or you can switch between different devices to view the different viewpoints. And then if you're happy with everything, you just need to click Apply to actually apply those changes. So this is what it looks like on tablet, and then we've got some changes on mobile as well, and basically it all stacks really nicely. Users can click on it, users can view and the text easily as well. If you're not happy with the changes that the AI has made for you, you can always click the discard button underneath Apply Design to undo them. And you can also make manual adjustments to the responsive layout of your website. But in this case, this layout is fine. I'm quite happy with it for mobile and tablet, so I'm going to click on Apply Design. The Wix Studio AI Responsive Tool is a powerful tool that can help you make your website responsive quickly and easily. It's important to note that the tool is still under development and may not always produce the perfect results. It's always a good idea to manually review the changes and also manually add some changes to the layout as well that the AI has made to your website layout before actually applying them. So here are some tips for using the AI Responsive Tool. Use the tool on individual sections of your website rather than on your entire website at once. This gives you more control over the overall control of the results. If you're making changes on a section that contains a lot of elements, consider using the AI responsive buttons on groups of elements, and this will help the AI to generate the best possible layout for your website. And then, as always, review the changes that the AI has made to your website layout carefully before applying them. Make sure that the layout is still visually appealing and easy to navigate on all devices. Overall, I think the Wix Studio AI Responsive Tool is a great tool for making your website responsive really quickly and really easily. Just be sure to review the changes that AI has made to your website layout carefully before applying them. And that's it, a really quick review of the AI responsive layout. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. In our next video and final video, we are going to go over making our website live and how to launch that as well. So be sure to hit that notification bell so you are notified as soon as that video is uploaded. As always, please like and subscribe, and any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.